Isabel? Hi, boys. What are you doing?
We're doing this.
You're doing this? What's Dada doing? Hammering. The basement room.
Oh.
Gary's gutting it to fix it up nice. Wish I'd taken a picture of the before.
Wow.
It actually was the nicest room in the basement originally.
Wow.
And Gary says Isabel's been loving every minute of it. Careful, my baby! My baby! You want to come upstairs now? Is this your work attire?
She's got a bean with a rock.
Alright, I'm taking her upstairs. Stop laughing about it. Are you being careful, boys?
Yeah.
Okay.